Hey, we're going to take a look at a MSI gaming laptop I just got. It is a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. Okay, yeah, let's take a look. The top is a magnet, fingerprint magnet, like crazy. So yeah. There's a front. It is not one hand openable. There's the side. Power, HDMI, 2 USBs, and a battery indicator, fan outlet. Then on the back, fan outlet over here. Nothing, fan outlet over here. Okay, and then on that side, another fan outlet. Ethernet, USB-C, HDMI, headphones, mic, lock. And then on the bottom, I've already opened it. So yeah, screws. And then you pry it off easily from the top, and yeah. So let's see. There is a memory slot right here that's being used. Memory slot over here too that you could add on to. And as you can see, you do not see any fans. The fans are right here and right here. I don't know why they didn't put the grooves over here. So the wind has to go this way, over there, into there, and then out there, and then out that way. Which is like, what the fudge kind of design is this? This one has to go over here, over here, over here, over here, and go out, and go out here. So it's like, what the fudge, really? Why couldn't you just put the grooves here so the wind goes, air goes that? So it's like, it overheats very easily. Okay, over here is a M.2 solid state drive if you want to put one in there, and then the M.2 is right there, which you could upgrade for that. I had to take this off. There's one heat pipe over here, and then there's one heat pipe over here. They're not connected. I had to put more thermal paste, clean it off, put more thermal paste, and then put thermal paste on the pipe because they're not really connected to the memory, the video card memory too. So it was like, I put more thermal paste like everywhere. As you can see right there, it's supposed to be just copper. I put thermal paste on the copper so they're touching, so it's like a little more efficient, little, but yeah, that's it. So yeah, the upgrade, yeah, it's just the storage. You could add more storage. And here is a power supply. The power plug is this. Goes over here. Okay, and the power brick is 180 watts. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, graphics card only uses max 50 watts. So yeah, it's like, that's it. So here it is. Over here, when you do open it, as you can see, opening, this goes over the bottom. So yeah, I don't know about this design. As you can see, the vent goes up. So you're hitting the monitor and it's heating this area up. So one of the chips over here and one of the chips over here. So it's like pushing out this way and then pushing out that way. So I was like, what the fudge kind of design is this? Yeah, I don't know about this. It's pretty bad. And then for the keyboard, here is thin and minus for the lights. The keyboard, can't really see it, it's not dark enough. And then battery, camera, and then this one for the monitor screen right here. Dim, highest, excuse me, and yeah, if you can't find anything else, yeah, I would get this, but I had to re-thermal paste it. This is out in like 2 years ago, so I had to re-thermal paste it already. It made it a lot better. It was like I was like running something, and the heat for the graphics card, and I shut it off, wouldn't come down at all. It was like at 80 and would not stop at all for like 3 minutes. Then I knew something was wrong, so I had to re-thermal paste the whole thing, and then it cools down now. So yeah, re-thermal paste it, move thermal paste some more. Yeah, I had bought this one on Amazon because I've been using a lot of thermal paste. But yeah, it's been pretty good. It's like you open it up, comes with a lot of thermal paste, like a lot. And then it comes with one of these squeegees. So yeah, I've been using it like that. So yeah, I would upgrade the RAM if you can. It's pretty slow, or it is slow, but might as well get dual channel. A little, like, what is that? 7% faster. It has a 512 SS M.2 Wi-Fi. Processors is okay. It's only 4 cores and 8 logic processors. So it's like, yeah, it's decent. It's for a laptop, yeah, it's fine. I was like, okay. So yeah, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys.